How to make a deposit on Capital One Bank. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. To make a deposit on your Capital One bank account, you have several options. The first one is direct deposit. If you are an employer, government agency, or any institution that offers direct deposit services, you can set up direct deposit to have funds deposited directly into your Capital One bank account. If there is Capital One ATM nearby, you can deposit cash or checks into your account using the ATM. Follow the on-screen instructions to delete deposit funds. You can also make a deposit in person at Capital One branch. Simply visit the branch during their operating hours and provide funds to a teller for deposit into your account. You can also make deposits through Capital One mobile app. For that, you can head over to your Play Store. Then search for Capital One. Have this app installed on your device. Once the application has been installed on your device, you can log into your account using your username and password or your fingerprint. Then navigate to the deposit section, enter the amount of deposit. Then follow the on-screen instructions to take photos of the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is endorsed if required. Review the deposit details including amount and images of checks. Once you are satisfied, you can submit the deposit through the app. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your deposit was successfully submitted. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.